Hello friends, so today we will talk about some basic terminologies for Qlinks. Okay, terminologies on qlinks.com. So what is this? This is if I go to this campaign explorer, and after that if I go to this view all campaigns, I will get various types of campaigns. So I will basically discuss about that. So there you can see the select category, all countries, and select type. If I select the campaign type, so here you can see this CPI, 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 CPL and CPS. So basically three terminologies are here, that is CPI, CPL and CPS. So let's understand the meaning of these three terms, or these three acronyms. Okay, short forms. What is the meaning of this CPI, CPL and CPS? So here Qlinks has already given a blog to us to explore it, so you can read that. I will give the link, but let me discuss the meaning in short. So here you can see CPI, CPS, CPL. So CPS stands for cost per sale. That means when you drive sales, okay, when the buyer purchase the product finally, then you get the commission. That is called CPS campaigns. Let's go to the CPI campaign. CPI means cost per install. Suppose an application on, and CPI, for CPI, there are various types CPI, various types of CPI. I mean, on Android, then on Windows, and then on iPhone. Okay, so how is that missing? I don't know where it goes. Okay, so here you can see here select type. Here you can see that CPI Android, CPI iOS, CPI Windows. That means for different platforms, Android, iOS, that means Apple, or Windows. So where to install, right? So CPI, I mean, device wise your commission may vary. That's why these three categories are given. If the installation is on Android, the commission will be different. If the installation is on iOS, the commission may be different. If the installation is in Windows, the commission may be different. So this is the cost per installation. And third one is CPL, that is cost per lead. You have seen many say call to action like sign up, call now, register now, these kind of buttons on various ads. So these are called like a CPL, cost per lead. Okay, so whenever one fills that form, the company has the access to reach the client. That means to convince the client to share their products and services with the client. So basically the who is filling the form, basically he is a lead for the company. Okay, at the first hand. So this is called cost per lead. So what to do, you need to promote such type of campaigns, so where the client or the your visitors will sign up a form, their fill their details like Gmail ID, phone number, name, location, etc. So these are called cost per lead. So if you select this type of campaign, that means you need to drive leads. That means the simply the information of the client who are interested in a particular product or service. Obviously the client, the person who is seeing the ad, he is interested in that product or service. That's why he or she will fill the detail, right? He will give his name. This is the thumb rule. Exceptions are there, maybe there's okay. So this is called a lead. So I hope you have understood these three basic terminologies and what are the differences. So here CPI means cost per install. If the app is not installed, you simply won't get any commission. Cost per lead, if the client does not fully fill up the form, okay, simply you don't get any commission. Okay, they need to complete the registration process and everything related to that. CPS means cost per sale. That means say shoe. So you need, if the visitor finally buy the product using your link, only then you will get the commission. So there is no such CPC, that means cost per click or commission per click. Sorry, CPC, actually this is a Google AdWords term. So basically it represents cost per click, but here if I say that commission per click, CPC, so no such campaign is there, but I think it should be here, because if Google is charging an advertiser for CPC, like CPC basis, obviously we also can charge a commission for driving clicks, right? So here I would recommend this Q links to enable these CPC campaigns, that means commission per click campaign. Okay, so that's it for now today, and thank you friends for watching till the end. And if you like the videos, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, I need your support. Thank you.